I just woke up, it was a Saturday. An early morning, gotta get away. Drop my mind and my keys on the kitchen floor. Don't go. You grabbed my hand and whisper in my ear. And for a second it felt so sincere. But the heart's got a place and my mind says no. I go.
And I like the fact that this is more of an organic, actual thing rather than a virtual projected streamed or you can interact into. The idea is that one is of the future and then the other one is where this tribal comes from.
It's definitely a challenge, you know? It's a great opportunity for me as a visual artist to make something that, people are gonna see and interact with, and it's what I dreamed about doing when I was a little kid, is what I wanted to do.